Welcome back to the Astronomical Library, where we delve into the cosmos's most captivating stories. Today, we're addressing a cosmic mystery that has ignited headlines and sparked ancient fears. Before we confront the so-called Devil Comet, we must first understand what these celestial wanderers are and why. Throughout human history, they've been seen as harbingers of doom. At their core, comets are primordial relics, often referred to as dirty cosmic snowballs. They are massive collections of rock, dust, and various ices including water, methane, and carbon dioxide that have remained frozen since the dawn of our solar system, roughly 4.6 billion years ago. Most of a comet's life is spent in the frigid, distant reaches of our solar system, specifically in a vast, theoretical region called the Oort cloud, which is thought to be a spherical shell of icy objects surrounding the Sun. They only become visible to us when a gravitational nudge from a passing star or planet sends them on a new elongated path that brings them hurtling toward the inner solar system and the warmth of the Sun. For millennia, the sudden appearance of a bright object in the night sky with a spectacular glowing tail was a deeply unsettling event. Without the benefit of modern science, ancient civilizations interpreted these celestial events as supernatural signs omens of impending disaster. The death of a king, or a sign from the gods. The famous Halley's Comet, for example, was depicted on the Bayeux Tapestry in 1066 as a terrifying sign preceding the Norman conquest of England. This deep-seated fear of comets isn't just an ancient superstition. It's a primal reaction to the unknown and a memory of real-world cosmic impacts. We know from geological evidence that cometary and asteroid impacts have had catastrophic effects on Earth's history, most notably the impact that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Today, our understanding is vastly different. Agencies like NASA and the European Space Agency, ESA, have dedicated programs, such as the Near-Earth Object NEO program, to meticulously track and catalog every known object whose path brings it near our planet. This modern scientific vigilance has replaced ancient fear with concrete data and predictions, and it is this very scientific rigor that allows us to distinguish between a genuine threat and a harmless, albeit spectacular, cosmic display. So, when a comet with a name as dramatic as the Devil Comet appears, it's not a reason to panic, but an invitation to look deeper. It has a chance to use the tools of modern astronomy to peel back the layers of myth and reveal the incredible scientific story hidden within. So, what exactly is this celestial object that has captured the world's attention? The Devil Comet is officially known as Comet 12P, Pons-Brooks. This isn't a new discovery. It's a periodic comet with a well-established orbital period of about 71 years. First officially discovered in 1812 by Jean-Louis Pons, and later rediscovered by William Robert Brooks in 1883. This comet is a cryovolcanic comet, meaning it's an ice volcano in space. Its nucleus, or core, is filled with a mixture of dust, rock, and a high concentration of volatile ices, particularly carbon dioxide, CO2, and carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, as it travels closer to the Sun, the star's heat warms the comet's interior. This causes the volatile ices to sublimate, that is, to transform directly from a solid to a gas without first melting into a liquid. This sublimation process builds up immense pressure inside the comet's nucleus. Imagine a giant, cosmic pressure cooker being slowly heated and then suddenly releasing all its steam. This pressure eventually becomes so great that it causes the outer shell to fracture, leading to a massive, explosive eruption of gas and dust. This is what we've been observing with 12P, Pons-Brooks. In fact, these eruptions are so powerful that they have increased the comet's brightness by a factor of more than 100 times, making it temporarily visible even to backyard telescopes. These eruptions are what gave the comet its distinctive, bizarre appearance. When the gas and dust burst forth, they created a luminous, expanding cloud around the nucleus, known as a coma. For a brief period, following a significant eruption, a darker, shadowed region in the center of the expanding coma made the cloud appear to have two bright horns. This unique shape is the sole reason for its ominous nickname, the Devil Comet. It's not some supernatural omen, but a beautiful and scientifically fascinating natural phenomenon that gives us a rare glimpse into the chaotic, active life of a comet. Now that we understand the explosive nature of the Devil Comet, It is time to address the most pressing question on everyone's mind. Is this comet a threat to our planet? The short and scientifically unambiguous answer is no, it is not. The fear surrounding comets like this one largely stems from a misunderstanding of celestial mechanics. Unlike Hollywood portrayals, comets don't just randomly appear and threaten a collision. The orbits of comets and asteroids are meticulously calculated by a global network of astronomers and space agencies. The trajectory of 12P Pons-Brooks is incredibly well documented, thanks to its regular return every 71 years. We have historical data stretching back over a century and a half, combined with modern telescopic tracking, which allows scientists to predict its path with a high degree of precision. According to the latest data from organizations like NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, the comet will make its closest approach to Earth in June 2024. At that time, it will still be a staggering 144 million miles, 232 million kilometers, away from us. To put that into perspective, that's roughly 600 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon. The comet's path is a stable, elliptical orbit that safely takes it around the Sun and back out into the far reaches of the solar system, without ever crossing Earth's orbital path. So, if there's no danger, why are scientists so excited, and why is it making headlines? The excitement isn't born of fear, but of scientific curiosity. The eruptions we've seen are a rare and spectacular event, providing a unique opportunity for planetary scientists to study a comet's interior in real time. By analyzing the gases and dust released during these outbursts, we can learn more about the pristine materials from which our solar system was formed. It's a window into the past, not a harbinger of the future. The threat of the Devil Comet is not to us, but to our ignorance. It challenges us to replace ancient fears with scientific understanding. While the Devil Comet poses no danger, it does offer a spectacular opportunity for stargazers. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance for many of us to witness a bright, periodic comet, as 12P Pons-Brooks continues its journey toward the Sun. It will become brighter and more visible to us here on Earth. For those of you with binoculars or a small telescope, the best time to look for it will be in the coming weeks and months. It's currently visible in the northern hemisphere, moving through the constellations. To find its exact location, you can use stargazing apps or websites that track its position in real time. Look for a fuzzy, greenish-white smudge of light in the night sky. While the horns from its last eruption have faded, the comet itself is becoming a beautiful and bright spectacle. The perihelion, or the point in its orbit closest to the Sun, will occur in April 2024. This is when the comet will be at its brightest and most active. After that, it will become visible in the southern hemisphere, continuing its journey back into the depths of the solar system, not to return until 2095. So, instead of fearing the Devil Comet, let us celebrate it for what it truly is, a beautiful and powerful testament to the dynamic nature of our universe. It's a reminder that even the most ominous-looking phenomena in the cosmos are often just stunning displays of physics and chemistry at a scale we can barely imagine. Conclusion: beyond the hype. In the end, the story of Comet 12P Pons-Brooks is a perfect example of how science helps us navigate the unknown. It's a journey from ancient fear and superstition to modern understanding and wonder. We've seen a celestial object with a terrifying name that turned out to be a magnificent cosmic show, a window into the building blocks of our solar system. The real story isn't one of a looming threat, but of a stunning scientific discovery. Don't let the headlines fool you. The only thing this Devil Comet is threatening is the notion that the universe is a boring place, and for that, we can all be thankful. If you enjoyed this cosmic deep dive, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join the Astronomical Library community. What other celestial phenomena would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below.